Hello, my name is Milvad, and today we are going to see how we can work with aggregate in the Eloquent. I hope until now enjoy these videos about the Eloquent tips, and if you have any suggestion, you can add the comments in videos. Okay, aggregates, you can go to laravel.com, docs, version 10x, eloquent, and here section retrieving aggregates. Aggregates, it's return the value, and it's not return, for example, instance of collection or instance of the model. For example, we have one method in the eloquent named is count. Count is count the all records that we retrieve in the query. Let's get a example. For example, we have one variable products, and I use product model query here. For example, I want to use count, and I dump products variable. Here you can see retrieve a number. That number is the 50, and it's show the number of products that exist in the database. And for example, we can filter. This is a product table. I use Navicat. It's a powerful application. You can use it. And for example, I want to say we can filter IDs. For example, I say ID it's smaller than 10, and here refresh. You can see the number is 40, and when say it's smaller, you can see 9 because we have a 1, 2, and 8 and 9. And this is a count method. You can for example, I cut this where you can also use max. Max is get the maximum, for example, maximum column. Here you can use column about for example price, refresh, and here is the maximum price in the databases, and it's not and you can see it's I can't find it. And also you can use min or minimum. It's a minimum value or minimum price in the DB. And the documentation suggests section queries page and section aggregates. We have a more example about aggregates. You can use average or you can use sum. For example, you want to sum price, all price, and you can see it's I think 700,000, yes. And you can, for example, use count and say columns. For example, price, we have a 50 price if there is no. And that's it. Is the aggregate methods in the eloquent, and it's very powerful. And you can, for example, say here, for example, you want to check you want to check id is smaller than 10, and here you want to, for example, check, or I say title. You have a title, for example, miss. Okay, and you want to check if products exist, or for example not, is null, and for example return product exists, else return product not exist. Here, okay, when refresh they say product is exists, but it's it's extra, for example, condition. Here you can use a method that's name is exists and return a boolean, and here just you can use products variable, and it's not need to write, for example, is null, your empty, and like this, and you can use this. And also you can use doesn't exist, and here it's not true, and go in the else section. And it's a aggregate methods, and we are working with all aggregate methods. And for end section it's average. I forgot, you can pass a column for average, for example one column, and here is a average price in the div. I hope this video is helpful for you, and if you like this video you can like my video and subscribe my channel for support me. Until next video, goodbye.